In this video, you will learn how to insert and format time in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have displayed the time in variety of format. If you see this column, I have displayed the hours along with minutes and AM or PM. In second columns, the seconds are also displayed along with minutes and hours. And in third column, you can see here the time is displayed without PM or AM. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. To save time, firstly, I will select those cells where I want to display the time. I will select these ones. After selecting those cells, right click and you will find the option of format cells. Click on it. A pop-up window will be appeared. From here you can select the location. For example, I will select English United States. You can select any country. And from type you can select the format of your time. Remember that in category you have to select time. The time is automatically selected, so I have not changed that one. So if any other category is selected, then you have to select time. From here I will select the format. I want to display the time according to this format, hour along with minutes and PM or AM. So after doing that, click on OK. Now if you write any number, for example you want to write 3 PM, I will write 3, press enter. Then you can see here Excel has do not formatted it according to our desire, because if you write just number, then Excel will format according to this. You can see here date is displayed along with time. So if you want to write time, you will follow these instructions. I will firstly delete this one. I want to write 3:30. I will write 3. After that, I will insert a colon. Then I will write minutes. If I press enter, then you can see here Excel will automatically show the AM or PM along with this time. Similarly, if I want to write 14 colon 45 and I press enter, then you can see here Excel has write PM automatically. Similarly, if you want to write the AM or PM according to your requirement, or you don't want that Excel write this one, then you can also do that. For example, I want to write 2:20 AM. I will write 2. I will insert colon. Then I will write 2:20. Then I will insert space and I can write AM or PM according to our desire. Now if you want to change the format, you will select this one, right click, go to format cell, and from here you can select any format. If I select this one and press OK, then you can see here the format is changed. So you can do these steps to change the format according to your desire. In next videos we will learn how we can calculate the working hour by using start work and end work data. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.